Hey guys, how are my lovely friends doing? So I'm here today to show you guys how I basically installed my Faux Locs. Thank you so much guys, first of all, for all the love that I got on my most recent post. I'm glad to know that you guys enjoyed how it looked and enjoyed the result of it, and yeah, that just made me very happy to see so much support. I did get quite a few questions about like what type of hair did I use and how did I do it? Was it me that did it, or did I go to somebody to install the locks? So yes, I did them myself. It was my very first time doing it. So I do like trying new stuff, and also, I mean, come on, let's be real, like I didn't want to pay that much money to have them installed when I figured, hey, you know what, like I can just do them myself. What I did, I just went ahead and did the majority of my head. Right now it is in a tall bun. I'm gonna go ahead and get started and you guys just keep on watching. So what I use, it's Bomba Dreadlocks, Faux Locs right here. So there's a glare, but this is the type of hair that I use. This is what it looks like. So it's Bomba Dreadlocks, crochet braid, pre-made loop. So make sure it does have a loop on it, so the crochet braid. So I am going to be using a crochet needle. This packet was only $7.99. I counted it. I think it has about 15 locks in here. I did get 8 of these in the color T1B/30. And so far on my head is about like 4.5. I definitely did not need 8, so if I have a lot left over, I'll probably save them till next time, or I'll just exchange it for like more product or something. Use some clips to hold down my hair, and the crochet needle that I use is right here. It's kind of hard to see, but it's a pink and green one, and I also got it at the beauty supply. So the crochet needle will have a hook, and it'll have a little notch right there. I also have my Denman brush to detangle, and I also have my spray bottle just in case. To moisturize my hair, I'm using Long and Luxe, as I am Curl Enhancing Smoothie. So I did want something that was very moisturizing and thick. And this is my first time trying this product too, so it works really, really well. And for my edges, let's see, I'm using So Real Edge Silk infused with coconut and argan oil. So right here. I like this because it doesn't leave residue, and it has a great hold, and it's a lot. It comes with a lot for just $6.99. So I'm going to show you guys how the locks look outside of the bag. So this is how it looks. There we go. Kind of a close-up. Hopefully you can see it. So it has a little notch right here. It's a little tight in this one. There's the notch. So it's kind of smooth and it's kind of texturized at the same time, which I like. I wanted something that was smooth enough to look shiny, and I wanted something that was texturized enough to look natural. So I like how it has the curly at the bottom. Okay, so yeah, so this is the hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys and get started. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and tie the front of my hair back so it's out of my face. And then I'm going to section off a small piece so I can get started. I like to make sure that the section is slightly bigger than the base of the faux loc. And I'm going to clip it down. Now I'm going to moisturize with my Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Then I'll be using my Denman brush to detangle. Then I'm going to start braiding a 3-strand braid. And I'm going to braid it for about 1 inch or 1.5 inches. So I'm going to leave some unbraided, that way it's easier to pull the hair through the lock. Now I'm going to grab my crochet needle and I'm going to stick it through the base of my braid. I'm going to add the base of the lock and hook it onto the needle. I'm going to secure it with the latch. Then I'm going to pull the lock through the hair using the crochet needle. Then I'm going to unhook the base of the hair and use my fingers to kind of create a secure knot at the base of my hair. And I'm going to pull that securely and make sure it's as flat as possible. Then I'm going to go ahead with my crochet needle again, make sure the latch is open. I'm going to stick the needle through the crochet lock and then grab the hair and pull it through. And once again, I'm going to open up the needle and I'm going to slide the needle through the lock and I'm going to get it as close as I can to where the hair is coming out of the lock. And then I'm going to hook the hair in the needle and then latch it and then pull it through. And I'm going to repeat this process until all of my natural hair is done. Now really take your time on this part because you want to make sure that you get the hook as close to your natural hair as possible so you'd be able to pull it through. Now during this process it does get a little bit frizzy, but you know what? That's okay because that's just part of the natural look that it gives and I love it. for watching. I hope that this tutorial was very helpful. So after you finish your faux locks, you can also decorate it. I got my decorations from Michael's. Clamps right here. I got these from the beauty supply. You can put it in a pony, like so. Quick little review on these faux locks. So you guys seen how I installed them. And another thing, I absolutely love, you guys, that these aren't heavy. They aren't heavy at all. I've had in braids that were too heavy before, and like every time you try to put it up in a high ponytail or in a bun, it's just not fun. I had so much fun making this video, you guys. I hope that it was very helpful, and I hope that I was able to answer any of your questions. If you guys have more questions, feel free to leave comments below, or, you know, message me, DM me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel. Also, like and comment, you guys. Comment your reviews. If you guys have tried faux locks before, if you plan on trying faux locks. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I had a lot of fun, and I hope you guys liked it. See you guys later.